So I'm going to show you how to export your Google Classroom gradebook to an Excel sheet, spreadsheet, or a Google Classroom or Google Doc spreadsheet. Okay, so you're going to select a specific class, and then you're going to go to the grades. And as you can see, this is my gradebook. It shows the overall class average, and then it also shows the individual grade. Okay, the reason why it shows all of that is because I already set up my classwork category to 100% by weighted category, and I enabled the show overall grades to students. Okay, only students can see their grade, just so you know. So make sure you have this option set up. All right, so the way you set that up, go to settings, go to grades, go to settings, and then scroll down, and then make sure you set that up, okay, in order for your gradebook to automatically average everything out. All right, moving on. So after that, I'm going to click on a specific assignment, and then I'm going to click on the toolbar, and I want to copy all grades to Google Sheets. And then at the same time, I want to show you the difference between doing that here and doing that on an Excel sheet. Okay, so here's the Google Sheet layout. It has the name of the class. All right, it has the class average. It does not show the overall. That is a feature that needs to be enabled pretty soon. But it only shows the actual assignment of each student, okay? So it has the class average and it does not show the overall grade. That is a feature that hopefully will be enabled by Google. And then I want to show you on a Excel sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Excel sheet, and this is how it'll look. Same exact thing, except it won't have all of the features at the top. Okay, and then this doesn't show the overall grade, class average. Okay, so that's why I like Google Sheets better than the Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, then I can share this, I can copy it, I can print it out, I can do whatever I want. After that, this will automatically go to my Google Drive account automatically. So if I simply click on Drive, here is my recent documents, and here it is right here. Okay, so it's automatically going to be saved for future references if you need to share it. Okay, if you have any questions, please email me at aaron.whitelaw@phcisd.us.